table, 4-figure tables. Now, 4-figure tables were first published nearly 400 years ago, and up to date, these tables are still relevant. To my right, I have a sample of 4-figure table. I just pick out this portion to illustrate how to make use of 4-figure table. The values you are looking at are called Matissa values. Now, to this first part, we have the main table, and to the other part, we have the main difference. So, how do we use 4-figure table? Number one, let's pick a number. For instance, 1.507. How do we find this? Now, you look at your table. The first thing you do, you neglect this decimal point. You'll be addressing this first two digits, which is 15. Now, this is 15. Let me change my ink. This is 15. Okay. Now, 15 under 0. This is 15 under 0, which is 1761. Okay. Now, this 7, you look at the difference. This is 7, then you trace this line. Okay, and that gives us 20 plus 20, which is equal to 1781. Is that taken? Now, we pick the characteristic. How do we derive our characteristic? Now, before the decimal place, we have one digit. Now, if you look at our previous class, I told you when you have log of 1, your answer is 0. When you have log of 10, your answer is 2. Log of 100, your answer is, when you have the log of 10, your answer is 1. Log of 100, your answer is 2, and so on. So our characteristic is 0. You put 0. Now, the logarithm of the number now is your characteristic and the Matissa value, which is 1781, 1000, that's 0.1781. This is our answer, the logarithm value. Let's look at another example. If you have 35, now this is 35. This is 35 under what? 35 under 0. So we have 5441. What is our characteristic? Correct, 1. Why is it 1? Because this is 2 digits. So we have 1.5441. Is that clear? Don't worry. Before we finish this class, I want to believe you understand every bit of this process. Let's look at this example. 35.94. What is our Matissa value? 35 under 9. This 35 under 9. Where's our 9? This 35 under 9. 35 under 9 is 5551. The difference is of 4. Where is 4? This is 4, which is also 5. plus 5. So we have 5, 5, 5, 6. Then what is our characteristic? 1. Our logarithm value will now be 1.5556. Are we on the same page? Finally, let's take one more example. We have 0.00109. Okay. What's our Matisa value? Don't be scared. Is 10. Neglect this decimal point and move to the first two significant figure, which is 10. This is 10 under 9. So 10 under 9 is 0.374. Now the question now is, what is our characteristic? Our characteristic, you move from this decimal place 1, 2, 3, which is bar 3. So we have bar 3.0374. Now we are still going to be addressing this in our subsequent classes, the negative. Now in our next class, I'm going to still take you the use of logarithm table using another method entirely. Thank you.